Hi, my name is Alistair Salgado. In this video, I'm walking you through how I manage global Facebook, Instagram, and Instagram ad campaigns for PBT or Progressive Ballet Technique, running dozens of workshop, webinar campaigns across 20 countries and 8 languages. So from this single tracking system, I'll show you the actual campaign tracker I use to manage budget, bookings, and cost per acquisition across every single market. So take note that this documented case study is from a specific campaign period only because I'm not affiliated now with PBT, so I don't have longer live ads manager access. So this will be a tracking only. So when I run the campaigns before, so I made this Excel sheet tracking. So it's very specific. And the same time, it's easy for me to report what happened now to the ads. At the same time, if ever there's any decision we'll make, will bring us here. So it's easy for us to decide. All right. So we know that as PBT runs a certification workshop for dance teachers, like here, dance teachers worldwide. It will be online and in person also, in dozen of countries and multiple languages. As you can see, they have US, Australia, and if you view here, they have also China and Poland, including Estonia. So if you load more, there's a lot of webinars here. So oftentimes, we are running 5 to 10 campaigns simultaneously across different countries, currencies, and time zone. So, because I'm running so many campaigns at once across so many currencies, I build a centralized tracker, this one here, to manage every workshop ads performance in one place. So let me walk you through it, okay? So every row in the workshop launch, I'm tracking the market, the language, whether it's online or in person, who is teaching it, because all of that affects how I structure the ad targeting. So, for example, here the name also of campaigns will be based on their what is location, the language, the time, the date of the webinar, and the tutor and the kind of webinar. It will be physical or online. And I'd say sometimes I name it according through location what we targeted the ad set, mostly because they have a set of interest already they want me to target. So I only rename name it as per location, and the ad creatives will be the events. Because we post first the event, then we, after posting it for a month, then we run for awareness, posting it for a month because they have a lot of follows now in their Facebook. If you can check here, Facebook, okay, Facebook. If you can see their Facebook, they have already 200,000 follows here. So if you post an event, localized event, they saw already, and some will register organically. So most of the event like this I will post. So this is new. This was before. No, this was new now. So this is not mine. So back to our Excel. So in bookings and capacity, I'm tracking bookings against capacity in real time. So I know exactly how close each workshop is selling out, and tells me whether to scale it or to start killing it or pulling back. So where's the booking here, the bookings and the capacity also. So mostly you can see this, it's red here. So if we already post the page 1 month and still at the 4 it's only booking, and when we already launch an ads 1 week 4, so I will just uh, call my manager or send them message that we have this bookings right now already 1 month posting in Facebook and 1 week running our ads, so he will decide if we can pull it out or not. So for this means red, even though I will not report, he will just check, oh, it's red already, and he will tell me, okay, Alistair, cut the or kill the ads now. So that's it in the budgeting. So in the budgeting column here, I put PBT is an Australian company. That's why we have AOD here. So our ads manager is based on AOD, and we put also USD here because we're running workshop globally. I'm converting the tracking budget across currencies USD approvals, converting to AOD spend, track against actual spend per market. Okay. So here in the CPA and CPA ads, which is this is the most important thing we are tracking also. This number matters that to the client. So cost per acquisition. So I'm tracking this both overall specifically since ad launch. So we isolate the paid campaigns that are actually contributing versus organic bookings in the events. Okay. So in launch date also, launch date here, launch date. So I log exactly when each campaign launch, what type of generic prospecting versus retargeting. So we have some here retargeting also. Launch retarget, general retarget, and I put what is the date also here. If there we have retarget. So we launch the generic, the event ads, and the ads and retargeting ads also. So that's why I put also here level 1 and level 2. So it's easy for us to target also our audience. So we'll target, if it's level 2, we'll launch a generic and retargeting ads that who already have a level 1 so they can register in level 2. Same with level 3, we'll retarget somebody in level 2 so they will register in level 3. That's it. So here's a good example. UK, Europe, we have already a webinar. Before we start ads, we have already 32 bookings or organic rates in a Facebook event. When we post the Facebook events, already 32 registered. When we run the ads, we spend already let's check this. Okay, we spent only 202 $202.08 as we launch it in 1611. We have this 6.3 $6.34 per booking since ads was launched. So every one of this campaign is tied to Facebook ads, as I discussed before, which I set up, optimize, and run ads against. This is where the actual creative targeting event page live for each workshop. So each event page here includes the details, RSVP tracking, and serve as the landing destination for both prospecting and retargeting campaigns also. I ran. And ultimately, every campaigns drove back to PBT booking site here. This one here. This one here. And this one, for example, this one here. So my job was to full funnel from page to conversion, and this tracker is how I made to make sure every dollar spent could be traced and back to actual booking. Okay. Across the campaign period, I managed paid ads budget for almost a dozen of workshop, 20 countries and 8 languages, tracking every dollar down to individual cost per booking. If you are looking for someone who wants to help you this ads running globally with a multi-markets ad campaign and can give you full visibility in performance just like this rather than giving you a vague report. So just contact me if you need help. Okay? Bye.